I'm good at catching. Just a little smoosh of that. I can smell the mixed herbs. Kia ora, I'm Anika Moa, and this is my go-to. It's a lovely lamb kofta. How are you today? Are you good? I'm fine, thanks for asking. I haven't slept for about 6 months. But enough about me. Let's talk about this amazing, beautiful meal that I'm going to make. First of all, I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm not drunk, just so you know. The ingredients for this amazing, lovely lamb kofta are lamb mince, harissa paste, tomatoes, mint, whee, a little bit of mint, rockets, mint and cucumber yogurt, mixed herbs, red onion and some bready things. Cool, great, let's go. Woo! Ding ding, righty ho. To start off with our lovely lamb koftas, we have to get the lamb koftas ready. Now, by the time you've finished rolling these, they will actually look like poos. So don't let that put you off because they taste great for poos. Anyway, let's add 500 grams of lamb mince into the bowl. Kia ora. We've got our harissa paste, which is beautiful, look at that. Right, and we've got about, I'd say, that much herbs, so shove them in too, please. And I'm just gonna go crazy on the salt. Now, the reason why I make these lamb koftas at home is because they're family friendly and they're good for my kids. So what we do is we put pita breads on the table, we put all the yummy, healthy, nutritional produce, and then we go, right, make it yourself. I'm going to go watch TV now, or do work, mahi, or go to sleep. I don't know, just whatever you choose to do, whatever. You can get in there with your hands. Go on. So what we do is we want to make sure that this is all really, really, really mixed up, really looking like, well, ground up meat would look like, really. Right, let's get that all mixed up, and by the magic of telly, someone else will make them into the poo rolls. Oh, look, what's that over there? Just plop these down here, and voila, look what I've made. So these poo rolls, lamb koftas, they go into a pan 3 to 5 minutes on each side. So let's put them in the pan, eh? Come on, come with me, please. Well, we've got the poo rolls, we've got olive oil, so throw a good decent amount of olive oil in your pan. Okay, put the lamb things in there. And what I love to do when I'm cooking on the stove is just pour myself a nice glass of vino tinto and think about my day with my challenging children and just try not to cry. Just jokes, my kids are amazing. Right, so you cook these on either side for 2 to 3 minutes and make sure that it's not raw in the middle, so cut one open and do the poo test. And then I'm going to get all my sides all ready for when we put these pitas together with the koftas. Can you hear that sizzle? Can you hear it? So while the lamb koftas are in the pan, just browning a little bit, I'm going to cut up some beautiful red onion, cut in half some red tomatoes, and we've got some amazing, rocket peppery, it's a bit peppery. Anyway, here I go, cutting away. Oh, it's not very sharp, that's cool. So thinly slice your red onion, and you can actually get your children to help out here, where you go, oh, here, can you help out? And they're like, oh, I can't be bothered. And it's like, oh, don't worry about it, I'll do it all myself. And also, while you're cutting your fresh ingredients, you should put your pita pockets in the oven or in a toaster to toast them. That's the word I wanted to get out, toast them. Cool. Right, we've got red onions. Let's slice up our tomatoes. This is going to be so much fun because it's like a free-for-all, and there's hardly any dishes at the end of it. And you can all sit around the table and you can say, hey, what did you guys get up to today? How was school? And your kids can ignore you whilst watching TV. I'm good. Okay, cool. Right, here we go. We've got enough there. We've got our rocket. Put that there so it looks a bit aesthetically nice. And I'm going to go check on those lamb koftas. Why don't you come with me? I can smell the mixed herbs. They're a little bit broken up, but that's cool. That's just cooking, you know, like you can win some, you can lose some. But mostly lost. I'm going to just get a couple of these. Look at that though. Oh, So what I need to do is just get the pitas, so I'll just be right back, okay? Yeah, I'm good at catching. Hello, welcome to my cooking show. Family friendly fun. Okay, whānau, let's plate up. So what we're going to get is our nicely lightly toasted or warmed pita. Put it here and let's get into it. Start off with some mint and cucumber. Yeah, mint and cucumber yogi. Just a little smudge of that. Smudge it, smudgy, smudge, smudge. A bit of rocket. Yeah, that's beautiful. Just rustic. There you go. Now let's put our beautifully divine, lovely lamb koftas here. One. Oh, it smells delicious and divine. Okay. Now we're going to get a few red onion bits. Sprinkle it. Just get in there. Cool. R-E. Get in there. Right. Now tomatoes. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it looks divine. Right, dollop here, dollop wallop. There you go. See? Lovely. And to finish it off, we've got some mint bits. Just pick and throw. Pick and throw. Who cares what lands? Because guess what? No dishes. And a beautiful dash of olive oil. Yummy. Oh, and what I like to do is I like to add salt and pepper to everything because I lost my taste buds back in the 80s. Beautiful. Just a bit, dollop there, get in there. And there we have my lovely lamb kofta. Look at this meal. It's amazing. This meal actually is an ode to my favourite chef. Just like a not really well-known guy from England. Let's say his name's Shmamie Shmoliver. I love him. In fact, I kind of stalked him back in the 90s. But that's under the bridge. That's all. I've got my eye on you, Shmamie. Anyway, enjoy. Bye.